let's move to the second challenge. The digital transformation in financial institutions is on the rise, and it seems that this trend will not end anytime soon. Financial institutions adopt emerging technologies such as cloud computing, artificial intelligence, and digital services. Most financial institutions are increasingly utilizing cloud-based software to increase information processing, fraud detection, and financial analytics capabilities. Meanwhile, the COVID-19 pandemic accelerated the transition of the industry's IT infrastructure of financial institutions and the emergence of virtual banks and financial services for fast and easy customer operations. As a result of this digital transformation, organizations now operate more and more new applications, devices, and infrastructure components that increase the attack surface. These factors contribute to a rise in cybersecurity risks for financial institutions and their customers. Therefore, the digital transformation of financial services leads to a larger attack surface that needs to be defended. In addition to traditional security controls, organizations should expand their defensive operations to include new services and devices. According to Deloitte, financial firms spend 10% of their IT budget on cybersecurity.